In this video, you will learn how to fold an egg-laying origami hen. This is Leila Torres of origamispirit.com. If you're using cami paper, we will begin by making a white preliminary base. If we want the white base, then we can start white side up. Valley fold corner to corner, unfold, rotate and repeat. Turn the paper over, fold side to side, unfold, rotate and repeat. Leave it folded. Hold from the sides, press toward the center and collapse it into the preliminary base. We are going to locate this open end, rotate it so that it is up. We are going to make a fold from corner to corner. Flip it and repeat. We have two flaps on this side and two flaps on this side. We are going to take the upper left and turn it as if turning the page of a book to the right. Then flip it and repeat. The upper flap to the right. Now we make a fold about here by bringing this edge to the center. And we repeat here. We turn it over and repeat. We pick it up and now we are going to turn the page again, left to right, turn it over and left to right. So we have color on both sides and we have these two flaps sticking up. Now we are going to pre-fold the section of the tail. So we're going to begin not quite at this intersection but a little higher. We create a fold along here to this edge by bringing this point down, and we can create an acute angle here. More or less is okay. This is a pre-fold. We create a fold above here by bringing this point in. So the tail will be round. Unfold. And we are going to reverse fold following those creases that we already have. Insert our finger here and press from this central edge and reverse. Now we are going to reverse the tip. We have to make sure that this is a valley fold and this will get reversed into a valley fold. Press from this edge and outside reverse fold. Now we're going to make the area of the head and we are going to begin by pre-folding from that point up to this edge. The angle here is a little bit wider than 90 degrees. So unfold and then press here and inside reverse. We are going to pre-fold, making a fold from this upper edge to this lower edge. We can fold it here and to the back also, so that we teach it where we want it to go. Then open these two flaps and reverse, leaving some area here for the head. And then we're going to want to open this and bring the tip of the paper back to the front, pressing from here while this is open. And we can make the big a little bit bigger or smaller. And we can leave that a little piece here for the crest. Now we can make a fold from this corner to this corner and bring this edge to align with the folded edge. Turn it over and repeat. So now we're going to blunt this corner by folding about here, perhaps 1/3 of the distance between the center and the lower tip. Unfold. Take your scissors and we cut along that crease. And we have a tiny waterborne base. Remember how it can be turned into the preliminary base? So if we open and press at the center, collapse it again, this is a tiny preliminary base. And this is what stands for the egg of this hen. There is a slit here. Locate it. We are going to take the tiny egg and we are going to insert 2 flaps to one of them and 2 flaps to the other. And we're going to press it so that it slides in. Now we play with it. The egg will come out at the bottom here. Hold the hem from the tail and the neck, and in an alternating up and down motion, wiggle the hen until the egg begins to appear. Subscribe to this channel and receive notifications when new videos are posted. Our hen has laid an egg. For more lovely ideas on how to make and use your origami figures, visit our website origamispirit.com.